Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawn is moving forward in this direction. And though it's white to play and win, white must promote this pawn or capture the rook, right? Somehow white has to do one of these things. Of course, if it wasn't for this pawn, this position would be a draw, despite we have an extra bishop, right? That doesn't matter. So guys, think sharp and put your answers, your solution in the comment. I would appreciate to do that. Good luck. Okay, welcome back. So the pawn is just one step away from queening, but the rook is currently directly attacking that, and we can't actually promote it, right? So what should we do now? Well, actually we cannot protect the pawn like this. We may have some kind of thought to sacrifice the rook and get back and block the black rook, but that is not possible currently, and white is completely get away from the problem, and this is just a draw, right? So you have extra bishop, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't make you a winner, and this is not the correct move actually. So what else? Well, if you try to play like this to attack the pawn, maybe defend your pawn like that, that is going to be too slow, as black would simply capture your pawn and defend the its own pawn, right? So this is not the correct solution either. So what other options do we have? Well, in this position the correct move is to play rook to h1 check. So the idea is now black can move to two squares, to one of these squares obviously, but both of them leads to a losing. First, what if black moves to g8? Well, in this case what we are going to do is play bishop to e7. So what is this actually? Well, if black captures the pawn, we are going to play bishop to f6, and this is checkmate, and black simply cannot do anything to stop that, right? Black may give these checks, but so what? We are going to avoid the check, and this is going to be simply checkmate on the next move. So what can black do in this position after we play this? Well, black cannot play any good move. I mean, if black did this to prevent to play like that, that doesn't work, because we are going to promote the pawn, and black is forced to capture, and we are going to play this move anyway, and like I said, we are going to go away with the checks, and this is just inevitable, right? Sorry, this is just inevitable. So that is the problem for black. So what can black do? Well, the idea is now black has to move the king to g7. I think that is the best response for black, and black will play that. And previously we play bishop to e7, and we play bishop to f6, but that doesn't work anymore, because now the king can capture the bishop if we play that. So if the king plays to g7, there must be a different move. Yeah, there is a different move. So I would give you the right to pause and guess the move. I would appreciate that if you pause and guess the move again. Okay, the move is rook to b1, and this is the correct move, because the first reason is we are going to make a discover check, right? I mean a discover attack. So if black captures our pawn, there we go, we simply win the rook, and we are going to win this pawn as well, right? So we are going to win the pawn really easily on the next moves. So that is the idea, and black cannot give us any check, right? So what can black do in this position? Well, if black try to move the king away, that is possible, and we don't have any discover check anymore, and black is still attacking our pawn. So what is it actually? What should we play in this position? Well, we can't actually push and promote. Black would simply capture that anyway, and there is a pawn for black. Even if there isn't any pawn, this wouldn't be a win, it's just a draw. One bishop difference doesn't make anything at the end game, right? So that is the thing. So what should we play in this position? That is the idea, and the move we should play is bishop to d6. Actually, bishop to any of these diagonal works as long as it's safe for the bishop. So the idea is now we are actually defending the pawn or the queen through the rook. So the rook cannot actually capture the pawn or the queen, because we are going to simply capture it back with our rook. So what other options does black have? Well, black can actually capture our rook and still attack our pawn, and black would simply capture our pawn on the next move. So what should we do? Well, most beginners do in this position push the pawn to a queen and simply trade the rook, and this is just a draw. All you have to do is capture the pawn when it passes, so it would be a draw. But we don't settle for a draw because this is a win, right? And we are not going to push the pawn. What we are going to do is play bishop to b4, and this is the reason why we move the bishop away, because we are going to attract the rook to capture our rook, and now we are blocking the access, and the rook cannot reach our pawn and attack it or defend it from becoming a queen. So what is the move for black? What black should play in this position? Well, black has no choice, maybe giving this check, but that doesn't make any difference because at the end the pawn also is defending the c8 square, so black cannot do anything. We simply are going to promote to a queen, and we are completely winning this, and this is the move. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.